not one side. What's up, everybody? Today, I know how to solve only one or two sides on a Rubik's Cube at a time, but I think I'm gonna go and see if I can show you, or just help give you tips how to solve. So I'm gonna mix it up a little. I'm not looking. It's in the morning, so I definitely had to turn the lights on. I'm not looking at it. There. Pretty good mixed up cube, I would say. Now I am going to solve, or see if I can show you how to solve which one looks like I can do it. White. I'm going to show you the white. So what I like to do is I like to start on the side that has the most whites, which in this case I can start on pretty much any. So I'm going to flip this one because it was like this. Then I flip it. So there, I guess I'm going to start on this side. Then there's two up here. I'm going to take those down right there. And then, as you can see, there's one right here. So I'm going to go boom, boom. So it is right, where is it? I don't know where it is. Where is it? Oh, right here. And then what I'm going to do is, oh no, but then that takes, then that takes this piece away. I have a solving solution. I know how to do this. So I'm just going to take it back down, turn it just any way. I'm going to flip it back up. Wait. And I'm going to do that. So I only have two more. And there's one right here. How to get that to there? I'm going to flip it like this. So, because then I can use that same trick. So it's like this, turn it. I'm going to go back down. Turn it over. Only one side to solve. Now, where is that? Oh, it's right here. Oh, no. No! I'm bad at doing this. Oh, no. This is bad. Wait. Oh, can I do this? Wait, oh, will this work? It will. Wait, no. But then, but then that helped. Because then I can get this to here using my technique. Then flip it back up so it's like this. All right. Dun 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 dun. But hopefully you guys kind of learned how to solve a side or something. Now I am going to solve green just for fun. No, I'm solve blue just for fun. So I'm probably gonna mix up this. So I'm not good at doing that. So I'm just solving it just for fun. Right now, I might as well talk a little bit while I'm doing that. That's odd, but I always just do this and this. Because I had to mix up my light. And then, if you guys think I'm some sort of world genius, I am not. I'm not a world genius. Oh, gotta get the blue in the middle. Dun, 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 dun. Boom, 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 boom. This far. I'm not exactly the fastest side solver, but I can solve inside pretty good. And as you can see, I was mixing this up pretty good. I did. But as you can see, white is mixed up. So, I guess I'm going back to solving white. Not on camera though. Maybe off camera, or maybe just not at all. Cause I got the power of solving Rubik's cubes. Oh yeah. Power of solving Rubik's cubes. Rubik's time. Rubiks.com. And I also have a 2x2. I might do a video on that. I'm not sure. But you know what? This video is getting kind of long. 7 minutes. I'd call that a limit. But my videos go up to 14 because of my gaming. So I think I'm going to end this off at 8 minutes. So about 50 more seconds. Just gonna watch. Just gonna watch you guys. Just gonna watch you every day. Who's gonna watch me every day? Comment below. Who's gonna watch me every day? Who's gonna watch me? Okay. So, if you like this video, if you want to see more cube or random videos, I should say, and comment down below what you want to see next, and subscribe if you happen to be new, and peace, everybody.